Welcome back to my channel. I decided to film Pack With Me because I'm going to Italy for 2 weeks, and I just thought it would be fun to show you what I'm bringing with me. And I will be packing in a carry-on. I don't know, I'm going to be trying some new things this trip with like more outfit planning and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm going to a bunch of different cities in Italy, so I'm planning to film like a video for each city and then maybe do like an overall itinerary or something. I'm not completely sure yet, but I'm definitely going to be making videos while I'm in Italy and doing blog posts and stuff like that too. But to start, I always like to make a packing list about a week before I go somewhere, like a bigger trip, and then I'll add to it as the week goes on until I decide to start packing, and then I have like everything in one place, and then it's a lot easier to never forget something. And I usually don't forget anything, so I think that's the best method for me. And I did do that this time, so hopefully I don't forget anything. This is the suitcase I was planning to pack in, but then I actually changed it for my leopard print one. And this is the backpack that I'm bringing. I bought it on clearance at TJ Maxx for like $25. And it's pretty handy. It has a lot of pockets and it's not too big, but it's also big enough. Okay, so what I'm thinking of bringing, I'm not really 100% sure what I'm going to pack yet, like for clothes, but I think I'm going to bring 3 dresses. I have this long one that is long enough and it has like short sleeves so I can wear it inside churches and like the Vatican Museum. But it's not like fallish, it's like very springy, so I don't know if I want to bring it for sure, and I also feel like it's very bulky. But it's the only dress that I have that I can actually wear inside of that stuff. So I don't know. And then I bought this one for this trip. It's also a long dress, but I'd have to wear something over it to wear inside of a church. And I don't really have anything that matches it to wear over it, so I might just have to buy something while I'm there, like if I need it, or otherwise I have to plan to wear it on a day when I'm not going inside somewhere like that, or I'll have to change. And then this is the other dress. It just looks like this. I was planning to bring this just because I feel like it looks kind of like, I don't know, like vacation-y. Like when I bought it, I was like, this is my ice cream eating dress, because I pictured myself eating an ice cream cone when I was wearing it, and obviously there's like a lot of gelato in Italy, so I'm going to be wearing it and eating gelato. And then I'm gonna bring this top. It's just kind of like a romantic floral top. It's really comfortable, and I can wear it with either jeans or like these beige jeans. And then I have these jeans that I'm gonna bring. Okay, and then, yeah, so I have 2 pairs of pants. I'm gonna bring 2 pairs of shorts, 3 dresses, and then a bunch of tank tops. Where's my phone? A bunch of tank tops and t-shirts. I'm gonna bring these shorts because I can obviously just wear them with anything. And then I'm going to wear these. I think I'm going to bring these shorts because they're comfortable. And then I don't know about shirt. I was thinking of bringing these tank tops, but I don't think I'm going to bring both of them. I think I'm just going to choose one. I think I'll probably bring this green one instead of the teal. And then this tank top, just because it's very kind of like neutral. I can wear it with the shorts or like anything else. And then, I don't know if I showed this already, this basic t-shirt, this white t-shirt which also matches with the shorts. And then I have this little cardigan that I can wear over like tank tops or that dress if I need to go inside somewhere where I need to cover up. But the problem is it doesn't match with the green. Like it actually doesn't match with either of them, but I don't have any other like neutral cardigans that I think would be like that I think I could wear in Italy in October. I just don't know what the weather's gonna be like. I'm really confused about it. It's supposed to be like, I think between 70s to like 90 or 60s to 85. I don't really know. I'm planning to just buy things there if I need something because I want souvenirs anyway, and I just don't really know what to pack. And then I'm bringing this basic pair of leggings that will kind of like double as something I can wear like maybe on the airplane or the train, or I can wear them like to sleep in. And then I'm going to bring a pair of like comfy shorts to sleep in, and then like pajama t-shirts. And then I have this sweater I'm planning to bring just in case I need a sweater. It's new and I really like it, so I want to bring it. And then I have these biker shorts that I want to bring to wear underneath dresses so I don't like get that like chafing, you know, that's really painful. Sorry, my dogs. I think I'm gonna bring this shirt, but I'm not sure. It depends on if it will fit or not. Stella, quiet. I'm gonna bring this shirt, I think, but it is kind of bulky, so I don't really know if I can fit it in my suitcase. And I definitely want to leave room for bringing stuff back with me. So I'm not sure. We'll see. I might swap it out for like a different t-shirt or something. I need to like go through and make outfits, like I said, using the phone and then copy pasting it into a note to see how many outfits I have. And I'm hoping I can wear some things like more than once, maybe like the bottoms, and maybe do laundry. I don't know if I'll be able to or not. So then aside from those things, I'm definitely planning to bring a pair of sweatpants, which I'll probably wear on the plane, and like maybe a heavier cardigan. I still need to wash that, and then like obviously socks and underwear, and I'm gonna wear a pair of sneakers most of the time, and then I'm planning to bring a pair of sandals. This is the sandals I want to bring. They're my like Loeffler Randall. I don't remember the actual official name of them, but they're really comfortable, and when I bought these, I literally like pictured myself wearing them in Italy, so ever since then I've been wanting to bring them with me to Italy. I don't know how much I'll actually wear them, but maybe like 1 or 2 days in Cinque Terre. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm going to put it on the screen, but I'm definitely going to bring them because they're really small, and I want to have at least one alternative shoe. And then my sneakers, which are just like really comfy white sneakers. Obviously like makeup, like cheap jewelry, passport, camera, chargers, cell phone. I think I'm gonna bring a tablet because I can't watch anything on my phone because I don't have Bluetooth earbuds. I only have like wire headphones, so I have to bring a tablet for the airplane. And then I think I'm gonna bring a swimsuit, and then maybe a really small beach towel if I can fit it, but I don't know if I'll be able to fit it. And honestly, I doubt that I'll need it, but I kind of want to have it just in case. And then a few masks and packing cubes. I don't know how I feel about them. I've literally never worn them, but I've never tried them, but I just bought these, so I don't know. I think I'm going to use a few of them maybe. The reason I bought these is because originally me and my husband were planning to share a carry-on, and then because that's what we did last time we went to Europe, and we decided this time it's just like I want to be able to get like souvenirs and stuff and bring stuff back. So we decided not to do that, and then yeah, I had already bought these. Aside from that, oh, I'm bringing a water bottle just because of the drinking fountains everywhere, and then my converter for outlets, a rain jacket, I want to bring some sort of little purse to fit inside my backpack just if I want to like go like from the hotel out to like a restaurant or something and not have to bring like a big bag with me. Gonna bring a couple of snacks as well for the airplane because I didn't pay for food, and I'm flying on Norse and I don't really know how it works, but I'm pretty sure you don't get any meals with your flight unless you pay for them. So I'm gonna bring like a granola bar and some other thing with me. And then I'm going to bring sunglasses and an umbrella, and I have this little wet pouch that you can put like a wet swimsuit in that came with one of my swimsuits. I definitely want to bring that because if I wear a swimsuit and I change and I have to like lug it around, it's still wet. I don't want it to get anything wet. And then basically just my toiletry stuff, a bunch of random junk like that. I'm gonna bring all my minis for shampoo and conditioner and body wash. So yeah, I guess I'll just do the outfit thing now and then I will pack everything in my suitcase. So basically all I'm doing is copy pasting each outfit into a note and then dividing it by day or like city that I'm going to, so I know where I'm planning to wear things and what outfits will work best. I did switch some of these outfits out after I was done packing, but this is what it looked like before I altered it, and that's the format that I'm using. So I ended up switching the bag that I'm bringing just because I needed a little bit more room, and I also made some changes in terms of like what I'm packing. Clothing wise, I just swapped out a few things and I didn't bring that pink dress. And other than that, I just need to pack all of my liquids and my last minute stuff like makeup and all of that. And that's all really. And thank you for watching my video and my channel. Please subscribe if you like this video and if you want to see more of my trip in Italy. I've never been, so this is definitely the first time, so I'm really excited about it. Yeah, thank you for watching.